Hi everybody, and welcome to another Desert Haven video called Making a Strong First Impression. My name is Nancy and I help people find jobs. A first impression is what someone thinks about you the very first time they meet you. You want to make sure you're making a good first impression. Why do first impressions even matter? Because you never get a second chance to make a first impression. Employers will form an opinion of you in the first few seconds, right when they see you, before you even start talking. So you don't have to be fake, but you do want to show your best self all the time. The good news, you can practice this skill and you'll get better and better at it. If you're going to a job interview or a hiring event, you never know who is watching you as you prepare for the event or for the meeting. Someone's already watching. People might be watching even before you walk in the door. So from the parking lot to the waiting room, act your best the whole time. Look your best, act professionally, stay off your phone if possible, be super friendly and nice to everyone that you meet, because you do not know who's paying attention, because they may go back to that hiring manager and say, that person was being rude in the lobby while they were waiting for their job interview. You wouldn't want that to happen. So make sure that you're acting like a professional worker and an appropriate job candidate as soon as you arrive. When you're meeting someone for the first time, make sure you give them eye contact and a smile. Eye contact shows confidence even if you're nervous inside. A smile is one of the easiest ways to seem friendly and approachable. Remember, it's just muscles in your face. Just pull your cheeks up and put that smile on. If eye contact is hard for you, look at the middle of the person's face instead. This still looks like eye contact to most people. And be careful of your face, the face you're making. If you're sighing or yawning, checking your phone can look negative, even if you don't mean it that way. If you look frustrated or angry, those people are going to notice that. Stay smiling, stay happy, stay positive, make eye contact and smile. Depending on why you're meeting someone, you might want to say more than just your name, but saying your name is simply enough. Just say, "Hi, I'm Nancy," except say your own name. You do not need to say more than that. You don't need to say you're sorry about anything. Practice saying your own name and make sure that you can say it clearly. So you can say, "Hi, my name is blank," and the more you practice, the easier it will get. Practice, practice, practice. Try it right now. Say your own name out loud. Say, "Hi, I'm Susie." If you are at a job fair or a job interview and it feels like it's hard to talk, bring your resume, because it has a lot of information about you that you don't have to say, or you could bring a small card with your name on it and maybe the job that you're looking for. It's okay to let the staff that's with you help open the conversation while you focus on your handshake and your smile. Practice some keywords ahead of time so it's not brand new for you when it really counts when you're meeting the employer. Practice is important. Practice saying your name and what kind of job you're looking for. A very important part of first impressions is what you're wearing and how you're standing. You must wear clean clothes with no holes, no stains, and no wrinkles depending on the shirt. Clean clothes, no holes or stains. You must comb or brush your hair so it looks neat and styled. So this is easier for some people than others. You must dress professionally if you're going to a job fair or a job interview. No suits are needed, but a collared shirt for men. Blouses are safe for simple choice for women. Stand up straight with your hands out of your pockets. Posture alone, standing up straight, your posture can communicate confidence before you say anything at all. So you don't have to talk necessarily, but you do have to look good and look professional. It's an important part of a first impression. Here are some examples of good looks for a job interview or a job fair. These are business casual looks. Remember, when you hear the phrase business casual, it's more business than casual. Business casual means no suit, no tie. But for women, it means blouses. For men, it means at least a polo shirt or a button-up shirt tucked in with long pants and a belt. Women can wear blouses of different colors with some accessories. A jacket or sweater over for women is always a good idea. Okay, now we're going to learn some more about handshaking. When you go to shake someone's hand, you want to wrap your hand fully around the other person's hand, web to web. That means the little space between your thumb and your forefinger. You want to be firm, but don't crush that person's hand, and a quick up and down pump motion. No limp handshakes. A weak grip comes across as that you're not confident. Look at the person while you shake their hand. Look them in the eye. And we're going to pause the video right here, and I want you to practice with someone near you, some staff or your coworkers. If you really don't want to shake hands, that's fine. The eye contact and smile will count as well on their own. If you have a good eye contact and a smile, it'll be okay if you don't shake hands. Remember that a handshake, eye contact, and your smile says a lot. A good first impression doesn't require a long speech. This is something that happens when they first meet you, even if you don't say anything at all. This is something you can practice at home, anytime, in class, or before a job interview. Remember, you will never get a second chance to make a first impression. People are watching you, they're paying attention to you, they're looking at your smile, your posture, how you're dressed, and how you're acting at the event or the meeting that you're attending. If you're in a job interview or a job fair, people are watching. Act professional the whole time so that you make a good first impression. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.